welcome back to my channel. My name is Oindrila, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial where we'll be playing with the colors silver and black. As you know, festivities are around the corner and silver and black is an amazing go-to combination, especially during night. And if you get a smoky eye along with it, oh my god, the look is definitely worth killing for. The first step is prepping our face. So I am using the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator to moisturize my skin. I have spoken so much about this moisturizer. It is my complete love. Okay, so we're done with the prep. The second step is prepping our lip. So I'm going to be using the Biotique Biofruit Lip Whitening Lip Balm. You can use any lip balm, to be honest. There we go, we're done with this as well. So prep is done. Then we are going to use our primer. I'm using the Lotus Makeup Ecostay. If you have open pores, then what you can do is you can go for a primer which helps you to close those open pores, or rather the primer just conceals them by getting into these open pores. I am going for a oil-free look today because the last thing I want is a shine. Okay, so primer is done too. After the primer, moisturizer and lip balm, what we're going to do is we are going to go with our foundation. For the foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte 24-hour coverage. Now the thing about this is it oxidizes, so I would suggest that you go for either the matte pro one, or if you're going with this, then choose a shade which is a shade lighter than your skin tone, because you know it oxidizes with time. So but apart from that, the coverage is amazing. Like, it has amazing coverage. There you go. I'm done with this. As you can see, it's a shade lighter than my neck because of the simple reason that within an hour or so you will see it oxidize, and that's when I know that it'll match my neck. So I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now I'm gonna, since I have so many blemishes, I'm gonna just randomly put it on the areas where I know the blemishes are there, but you can also spot conceal it. See, as you can see, there are a lot here. So as my concealer is, I think, a shade lighter to my actual skin tone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it after the foundation. But if you are using a concealer which is closer to your skin color, then you can obviously put it before the foundation. Now I've put it under my eyes as well, a little here as well, because even though I don't have very dark circles, this would help me brighten my under eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Loose Powder. And just put it under my eye. And on my T-zone. So I'm going to keep this like this. Next we're going to do the eyebrows. So I'm using the Lakme eyebrow pencil, but again, you guys are free to use anything. Since my Lakme eyebrow pencil does not come with a spoolie, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mascara brush of an old mascara which was expired and dried out to use as my spoolie. But if you go for those eyebrow pencils with a spoolie brush behind it, you can use that as well. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to just outline my eyebrows. So what we do is we take some black eyeshadow on our eyeshadow brush. And then gently just do the outer corner first. I know usually you might have seen people do the mid eye first and then the inside and lastly the outside, but I just like doing the outside first. There you go. I'm just gonna pull this like this a little here as well on my lower lash line. It's the same black that we used on top. So first we do this, then we take the same and just to define our eye, do it on the lower lash line as well. This makes work easier. Now next what we're going to do is we're going to take the silver. You can also use grey actually if you don't have silver, and we'll put it here. Now what we do is the grey over here as well on your lower lash line. So can you see this? What we did was first black outside, then we went with a silver, and in the middle we just blended it out. So to blend it out even well, we are using the eyeshadow blender so that it blends out really well. You don't really need any powder on it, just blend it a little, and there you go. What we did was, while we were doing the upper eyelid, we did the lower lash line as well, because some powder is always left on it, so it neither intensifies the lower lash line nor does it make it look dull, and you're not wasting any product. That's why I do the upper and the lower eye makeup together, because it becomes easier. Now I'm going to do this eye and I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, after applying the mascara, this is the look. This is perfect for a daylight subtle one, and this is amazing for the smoky eye night look. Now the reason why I'm not contouring is, as you can see, these are my problematic areas, and when I contour it just highlights those areas. So I'm just going to go with the bronzer so it gives me the day blush look. It just adds a little color to my white face. I'm going to do it over here as well. And since you're bronzing, don't forget your hairline area. So I have applied the Matte-ilicious Hottest Red, shade number 01 from Nykaa. I really love this color. Okay, so now that we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to do the step of a highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm again taking a highlighter brush. And then we're going to put it first of all here to bring out the color. And then I'm going to blend it with my hand, because the brush sometimes just doesn't blend. Okay, I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose. I'm sorry guys, I'm someone who loves highlighters. So if you think it's over, you can control your usage, but I just love it. And we're also going to put it here, just to highlight our eyebrow bone. There you go. Now people can put it here as well, up to you guys, but I'm not doing it. And we can also do it here. So I'm going to show it on one cheek because I really don't want to overdo the shine because my eyes are anyway too. So it's a C motion. Oh, by the way, I'm using NYX High Glass again for my highlighter. I'm not using a liquid highlighter today because the one I have is in the shade of bronze, and bronze really doesn't go with the silver. Now what I'm going to do next is, as you can see, you can need to blend it a little. So I'll just blend it out gently. I hope you liked this video and you found it useful. If you do try this look out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Insta handle is plush maquillage. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next week, bye.